Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds explore the exciting world of robotics and coding. Featured as the best Bay Area summer camp for the years 2022, 2023, and 2024, our program offers an exceptional experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Introducing Website Designing by JavaScript, our dynamic course where you'll learn to create interactive and engaging websites using the world's most popular programming language. In this course, you'll master the fundamentals of JavaScript programming. Learn how to use variables, lists, objects, functions, classes, and constructors to bring your websites to life. Combine your JavaScript skills with HTML and CSS to develop fully functional websites. Each lesson includes hands-on exercises and projects to put your new skills into practice, guided by our experienced instructors. By the end of the course, you'll be proficient in JavaScript and web development. You'll have the tools to create your own websites and the knowledge to continue growing as a web developer. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media to stay updated. We look forward to seeing you at a Futurebytes camp. Let's shape the future, one byte at a time.